Hi, and welcome everybody. I'm so happy and grateful that you're here and watching our episode 2 of our FreedomCasts. This is Bernie speaking from beautiful San Diego. I've been asked a couple of times, why are these things called FreedomCasts? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. We help you free yourself from the slavery of your hosting provider. You can be completely autonomous and self-contained with an Antsle. And how that goes, well, that's what we're going to show you now. So you pull up your browser and you just go to myantsle.local and you see your Ant-Man, and here you see your antlets running. So what we see here is just one antlet, and that's still there from episode 1. So it's still running, and we go to the About page and look for the version. So we're on antsleOS version 0.3.2, so if you're running a different version, this video might not apply for you. And with 0.3.2, we can go to myantsle.local without the .3000, just myantsle.local, and we have Ant-Man. So you see this one antlet here, and today we're going to create a new antlet. We call that mkDocs, and that's because mkDocs is the name of a beautiful tool that I'm going to show you today. And again, we leave everything else with the default settings and just create that new antlet, and here it is. So it stopped, we're going to start it, right? And then we do the same thing as last time. We just get our terminal window, SSH into root at myantsle.local. And then after we've done that, from there we can SSH into our antlet, SSH 10.1.1.11. So that's the new antlet, the mkDocs antlet that we just created. So we're in here now, and the standard is always the apt-get update to just update the Debian repositories to the latest versions. And after we've done that, we're going to install Python, because mkDocs is based on Python. So we say apt-get install Python, and the Python package manager called Python pip. Okay, so that runs for some time. In the meantime, we can check in a new tab here about our antlet10.local. That's the one from episode number 1, and as you see, it's still running. And then now I'm going to show you the mkdocs.org site. So this is the tool that we're going to install today. And as you see, it creates beautiful static websites, and they are all designed to create something that is for project documentation. So you could set up your own documentation website about your project that you're doing in 0 time with mkDocs. So you can scroll through their documentation, you see the installation, so they tell us to install Python and Python pip, which we're doing right now. They also show us the next step. So after Python is installed, we just say pip install mkDocs, and then we use mkDocs to create a new project, and then we start mkDocs serve, and then we should be up and running. So let's see how far the Python installation is. It's still running here. So we're done. So now we do as told. We say pip install mkDocs. That should be quicker. So here we are. And now we say mkDocs new, and then the name of our new project. I'm going to call it So Cool. All right, it's created. We change into that directory and just start our mkDocs server. And we give it the address 0.0.0.80. All right, it's running now. And what we're going to do now is just go to antlet11.local And here we go. Here's our mkDocs. So that was really easy and really quick, right? So what you can do now is you can do your own beautiful documentation website, and it's so easy to set up. So thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye.